Growing up, memories become blurs. So there isn't really much I know about my grandfather. Plus, he was always on the move. But one thing I do remember, when he was present, was his skills in the kitchen. From the hallway, I would watch. And for what it seemed, Grandpa was a man. It was like second nature to him. No cookbook needed. I would watch day and night how people lined up to come get some of Grandpa's food. I knew I wanted to be just like him. But life happens. Grandpa got old, and I got older. And I knew this would be the only thing that kept me connected to him. Now I'm next in line. Something that's passed down, like a last name, an heirloom. Kitchen open. Now I'm the new chef in town.